Triangular numbers. The triangular number sequence is the representation of the numbers in the form of equilateral triangle arranged in a series or sequence. These numbers are in a sequence of 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, and so on. The triangular numbers represented as Tn, where here n is a natural number. We have triangular numbers in mathematics. That the triangular numbers is nothing but the number sequence can be represent the numbers of the in the form of equilateral triangle. These triangular numbers are the sum of the sequences 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, and so on like that. These triangular numbers can be represented as a t suffix n. Here n is a natural number. And these triangular numbers can be shown in a dotted form as see that as follows. Here T1 equal to 1. 1 means 1 dot. T2 equal to 3 dots. 3 dots can be right in a equilateral triangle form, that is like that. And T3 equal to 6. Then that is here is T4 and so on like that. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.